In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to your Whop account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make new tools show up right inside your workspace. First, head to your Whop dashboard, sign in, and open your business. Make sure you're in the correct workspace for the business you want to manage, since apps connect to a specific business environment. If you have multiple businesses, double check you've selected the right one before moving on. Next, look to the left sidebar and open Settings. This is your control center for how your business behaves on Whop. Inside Settings, scroll down and choose Authorized Apps. Think of this as the Integrations hub. This is where you oversee which apps already have access and where you'll add new ones to extend what your business can do. Now, in the top right corner, click the button that says plus Find New Apps. That will take you straight to Whop's App Store, where you can discover tools designed to help with content, community, learning, and more. If you need a quick way to get there, I've placed a link to the Whop dashboard and the App Store at the very top of the description. Use that link if you want to jump right to the right place without hunting around. Inside the App Store, browse the available options. You'll see categories like courses, chat, forums, Discord, and content. Open any listing to read a short description of what it does, how it integrates with your workspace, and any notes the developer provides. Take a moment to think about what you want to accomplish, whether that's hosting lessons, managing a community, adding chat features, or organizing content, and let that guide your choice. When you found something that fits, click Add on the app you want. You may see a quick confirmation asking for permission so the app can connect to your business. Review the prompt and confirm to proceed. You can repeat this for as many apps as you need. Once an app is added, it will appear in your workspace's left panel in the Apps section. That means it's now part of your business on Whop, ready to access from the same sidebar where you manage everything else. Some apps will surface features directly in your workspace, while others integrate behind the scenes. Either way, you'll see it listed as connected in authorized apps. And that's it. You've successfully added apps to your Whop account. Explore a few different categories to see what best complements your setup, and build out your business toolkit step by step. Thanks for watching.